Hello, my name is Himanshu Paliwal and I am from Sonipat, Haryana. I did my graduation from University of Delhi and consummated my master's degree from Baker's Murtal. As I always wanted to do my PhD from a very prestigious universities abroad, so I took an English proficiency test, or you can call it TOEFL, and which could not have been possible without the direction and guidance of Dr. Narendra Parmar sir. Today I'm going to talk about TOEFL exam and how you're going to crack it or how you're going to deal with it with a decent score. TOEFL exam consists of 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking and writing, and each section consists of 30 marks, which sums up to the total of 120. In reading section, you will be given 3 to 4 passages, you will be asked some questions and you will have to respond according to the context of the passages. In listening section, you will be made to hear some conversations between professor and his students, and they will be discussing anything, any topic or any subject like physics, biology, mathematics or history or anthropology, anything. And you will be asked some questions and you have to revert back through given information in the conversation. After 10 minutes break, speaking section comes. In speaking section, you will be made to speak about anything. It can be anything. Like you will be given a situation where some students are discussing about a notice board or about a college renovative building, about renovation in college, anything. They can be discussing anything and you will be asked what are they discussing about. You have to just put all the information into a simpler words in a fluent way so that you can get a good marks. In this section, your cognitive abilities and your intellectual abilities will be tested. At the end, the writing section comes, which is subdivided into 2 tasks. First is integrated and second one is independent. In integrated task, there will be a passage, and in this passage, you will be provided some information, and the professor will be praising the passage or favoring the passage, or he will be in the against of the passage with his own logics and reasonings, and you will be simply asked to put his ideas in the context of passage, and you will have to you have to tell either professor is favoring the passage or rebutting the passage according to his logics or reasonings. Second task will be independent task. In independent task, you will be given a question or a situation and you will be asked to write anything. You will be asked to write about your ideas. You have to write your brains out there, and in that passage and in you can say in writing section, your vocabulary matters the most. The most important part in TOEFL exam is not the syllabus, it's the how to approach to the exam. It's how to deal with the weaknesses and the strengths you have, and how to know what weaknesses you have. So to know the weaknesses and the strengths and tips and tricks so that we can deal with this exam or we can tackle the exam very easily, we should have a mentor. And in my case and in most of the cases in many students, the mentor has been Dr. Narendra Parmar sir, whose comprehensive study materials like PDFs, some ebooks, some blogs, some YouTube links, all these things provide a comprehensive and inclusive way to deal with this exam. Dr. Narendra Parmar sir has been mentoring many students, and if you want to tackle, if you want to deal, or if you want to crack this exam, you should have a mentor like him. I thank you, Dr. Narendra Parmar sir, for making our dreams come true, either in MS or either in PhD. All students can come and can know or can be enlightened under the guidance of Dr. Narendra Parmar sir. Thank you.